In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive cannot upload. If your files refuse to move, don't worry. These quick checks usually get Drive working again. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Drive. You're looking for the official site. Before you click, scan the results and make sure the link points to the real address. When the page loads, double-check that the address bar shows the correct domain so you know you're in the right place. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into the Google account where you want the files to live. If you use more than one account, verify the profile picture or initial in the top right corner so you don't accidentally upload to the wrong one. Next, make sure you actually have room for new files. In Google Drive, open the storage view to see how full your account is. When storage hits 100%, Drive silently blocks uploads. If you're full, delete unneeded files from Drive, Gmail, or Photos, or temporarily move large items elsewhere, then try again. If you're using the desktop app, find the Drive icon in your taskbar or menu bar. Click it, pause syncing, wait a few seconds, and then resume. This forces a fresh connection. If you're in the web interface, cancel the current upload and restart it to renew the session. Now confirm your internet connection is healthy. Run a quick test on a site like Speed Test by Ookla. You're checking that the upload speed is stable and that there's no obvious packet loss. If speeds are spiking or dropping to zero, try again when your network is calmer or move closer to your router. To rule out browser issues, open a private browsing window. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus N. Sign in to Google Drive there and retry the upload. If it works in the private window, something in your regular browser session, often an aggressive ad blocker or a cached script, is interfering. Finally, make sure third-party cookies needed for large transfers aren't being blocked. In your browser's privacy settings, open the cookies section and add google.com to the list of sites that are always allowed to use cookies. This helps Drive maintain the background requests that move big files. Walk through these steps in order and your upload should go through. If you still see errors, try again later. Sometimes the service is briefly busy.